We now know what we need to perform an assembly, so now we can make a work order and assemble some items. As with shipping and purchase orders, we can either use a Create Work Order page here, or click on Work Orders and then click on a Create Work Order button. Either option takes us to this page, which allows us to set important details about the work order. Most important are the work order type, which can be either assembly, maintenance, or some other option, the warehouse in which we'll be doing the work order, and the status ID. Note that a work order cannot be assembled if it is listed as requested, only if it's open or started. Once we save, we can then access the other pages of the work order. Most important are the line items. This is where we set what we're assembling and what we're going to use to assemble that item, or in the case of a maintenance work order, what item we're going to be repairing. We choose what item we assemble through this drop-down menu and then set a number of units. Once that's done, we can scroll to the bottom of the page and click on either Top Components to autofill the page with only critical components, or All Components to use all listed components in the bill of materials. In either case, the page will fill in automatically with the number of items that we need. We can then use the Equipment Sheet page to fill out what assets we need, Labor Sheet to determine what employees will be working on the project and how many hours it will take them, and Notes for any notes the employees may have left that they want permanently recorded on the work order. Once we're done recording all that information, we can click on the Assemble button to begin assembling the work order. We can then pick how many of the units we want to assemble. This will then take us to a page where we can issue the items required for the assembly and add the assembled items to our inventory. All we have to do on this page, unless we need to change the number of items, is click on Finish Issue. After a moment of loading, it will remove all of the assembly items from our inventory and add the newly assembled products into our inventory.